Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this 4-pack of cut resistant and scratch resistant sleeves here. So if you're working outside and perhaps gardening, picking blackberries, sometimes just picking up a bunch of lumber or something, moving that around. Your bare arms are not fun to get a bunch of slivers and stuff in. So these help protect against just regular cuts and scratches that you would pick up or whatever. So this is obviously a sharp knife here, as we can see. And so it does cut it a little bit, but it has some resistance there for sure. Didn't pierce that at all. I'm good to go. So I wouldn't really want to just like stab my arm, because that's actually offering a little bit of protection there. Yeah, you're not going to go in a knife fight with these on, but for just regular protection from keeping your arms safe from like scratches and junk like that, just like random scratches, something like that would actually like really not feel good on your arm. So these offer some decent protection. It's got like a razor blade here. So yeah, these come in a 4-pack here too. So you have ones with the little thumb hole here and one's not, so you could put these on, put gloves over the top of those if you are working in the areas. These offer some protection, definitely. And then it comes with a couple of black ones as well. So a pair of these black ones. So definitely a good idea. I've got my arms blackberry picking, definitely trimming bushes and stuff like that. So it has a couple black pair as well. So that's nice. It's nice and tight up here too, so it's not feeling like it's going to fall down or anything. So that's good. And it has this pair as well. So that's pretty cool. So you can kind of, you know, have them match your style. As you can see, my arm is just fine. I'm not bleeding. If I was to do that with the sleeve not on, I would definitely be bleeding right now, and that would not be fun. So great little idea here. Just slip these on. A lot of times I'm working outside and, you know, trying to trim bushes or something. We have a particularly like scratchy bush outside, and it seems like my skin has like a bad reaction to it as well. So it'll like scratch me, and then it'll all puff up because of the little scratches and stuff. But these definitely offer some protection. I'm going to be wearing these for sure from now on when I do stuff like that. So always good to keep yourself protected. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.